Hello and welcome to Mark and Kelly's Trips, Tips and Things. And today we are going to an all-you-can-eat sushi buffet. That's right, we are going to Chino Latino's right here on the Thames riverfront. But before we do, I just wanted to show you, ta-da! It's Big Ben. Now, for the last 3 years, Big Ben has been under construction, well not construction, but under scaffolding for the last 3 years. So any tourist that's come in the last 3 years has just seen a big lump of scaffolding, but look, it's actually now just been revealed. So it's all painted, it's gilded. We don't know if it's golded gilded or painted in gold, but it looks fantastic. So we just thought we'd add that to the video before we go for our little meal. Anyway, let's join us for all you can eat sushi. But before we do, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. We love making videos for you guys and it helps us make more. Anyway, let's go. So this is along the Thames right here. There's Parliament, as you can see, and this is the memorial wall for all the COVID victims in the UK. And you can see there are a lot of hearts there representing each person that passed away, and it's right across the wall, as you can see. So a bit of a somber moment there, but you can see that it does stretch on right across here, the Thames. And there's the Thames right opposite there, look. With Parliament right there. So this did make me smile. We're right on the Thames, as you can see. There's Parliament, and if I zoom in, there is a floating garage. That's right, a floating garage there for any boat that breaks down or needs help. Or there you go, there's a boat coming right there. I don't think it needs help, but there you are, a floating garage right there in the Thames.
So we've just arrived and I've got to say it looks really nice. It smells amazing here, like really fresh. We went up to the place, the wait area, and they said they're still setting up. I think we're about 10 minutes early, so we've still got a little bit of time, but it's going to be a lovely going in, I think, so we'll see. So we are here, we are at Chino Latino. It looks so nice. If you just pan around as well.
So I'm going to pan around, it is amazing. Look at that, so we're right on the riverfront, as you can see. It's going to have to zoom in with the lights, but look at that view. It does look fantastic. We'll take you up to the food later, but of course we are right up below the speaker. So, and you can see that view from the Thames right behind Kelly as I zoom back into it.
Our server's just about to come to us, so we'll be back in a second.
I'm gonna have to talk loud because it is very noisy in here. Look at that. That's my aubergine meal. You get one meal with your buffet. Kelly's gone for the duck, so we're gonna let her try the duck.
Well, I'm not going to try it just yet because I have to shred it first.
Ah, okay.
Once I shred it, because if you look in here, here are the pancakes.
Your pancakes.
So I have to shred it.
You order the duck, that's what you're gonna get. And so it does come with prosecco. We're not real drinkers, so Kelly went for a Coke and I went for a ginger beer. You can have that as an alternative, and that is my aubergine. That's my little thing from the buffet. I cannot wait to try that. But here we go. Let's give this a try. Berry compote.
Berry compote. Okay, I can see Mark's got two black forest. I'm assuming it's one for each. Go for it. Let's try berry. It's a little bit heavy. It's not as light as cake should be. Yeah, it's nice, but I feel like it's not as nice as the other two.
That's happened again with all the donuts we've had recently.
Yeah, you know what it is? I feel like it's very difficult, especially when you've had a really good black forest cake or gatto or whatever you want to call it. It's very difficult to beat. Very difficult to beat.
So Madam's had hers, so I'm going to go for mine. Very cheesecake. Nice and zingy, how it should be. Last one.
Which one do you prefer out of the two?
Berry.
Oh, really?
I'm not the world's biggest fan of passion fruit.
Right.
That's good.
Yeah?
That is dense, you're right. But that's a good taste. I like
Yeah. Is that your favourite out of the three?
I'll eat my favourite just to show
Oh.
my favourite. This one.
Oh, I see.
So there is Chino Latino. We are outside now.
Yeah.
And we have just finished. What did you think?
I really enjoyed it. I feel it was £40 per person.
Yeah.
And it's 12.5% gratuity, but that's optional. If you want to leave it,
Yeah.
you leave it. If you don't, you don't.
So you basically pay £10 tip.
Yeah. I thought for value for money, it was really good.
Now you see, I thought it was good for 80. It was £80, so £80 is quite a bit of money to pay. It is all you can eat sushi. The quality is fantastic.
Yeah.
I've got to say the sushi was really fresh. The salmon was delicious. I think I would have liked a little bit more choice, me personally, especially for the desserts, because there was only 3 desserts.
Yeah, there was only 3 desserts, but do you know what? I feel like with a lot of buffets, I get kind of disappointed with the desserts, and I've got to say, I'm not saying like it was the best dessert ever or anything like that.
Yeah.
But it was better than a lot of desserts. I quite liked it.
Yeah, I agree. And also, I've got to say, although there wasn't loads and loads of choice, the quality of the food probably made up for that. So it was really nice. Do I think it's good value for money? I think it was. Yeah, I think it probably was for central London. It was a good price. Would I come again? Yes, I would.
Yeah, and it's at the Plaza Hotel as well.
Yeah, that's true. And am I full? Absolutely. I ate loads. You saw there. That was the first plate. I had about 3 or 4 plates. 4 plates of food. Yes, you heard it, 4 plates of food. I thought I wasn't going to bore you and show you each of all my plates.
Yeah.
But 4 plates of food.
But also, what I found was when you go up and you can fill it. I felt that there was quite a lot of choice, and there were some hot options there as well. If you don't like alcohol, because you get welcomed in with a glass of prosecco. If you don't drink alcohol, you don't like alcohol. I don't like prosecco, and Mark doesn't drink. So I said, could we get some soft drinks? And so they gave us soft drinks as an option, but obviously it's only one. So I got a Diet Coke and you got a ginger ale.
Yeah, ginger beer.
Yeah, and then they have tap water there, which is free, and they flavour it with lemon and lime. So if the water does taste rank, you can't. If the
water didn't taste rank.
I'm gonna say, but what I'm saying is, because you know, like some tap water does taste rank, but if it does, you wouldn't be able to tell because it's flavoured with lemon and lime. So there you go.
Anyway, but there you are. So there you have it. So really enjoyed it today. That was it. Here we are in our little Chino Latino. There we are. That's it for Mark Gelly's trip tips and things. Please like, share and subscribe. It helps us make more videos. We love making videos for you guys. And remember, you're never too old to have fun. See you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye for now.